So here's a quickie little tip for you. You're working on your bench, you got dust all over the place, you got metal shavings, you got grinder dust, you got just one heck of a mess, and you can't find your darn dustpan and broom. I lost it somewhere. I have no idea where it got off to. So how are you going to clean up your mess real quick? A welding magnet and a paper towel. And all you do is just wrap up your magnet with your paper towel, and you can just drag it across your bench. And you wind up with a great fuzzy mess on the end of your paper, on the end of your magnet. And this is where the paper towel comes in. You don't have to brush it off. All done. So hopefully that'll help you guys clean up a little bit quicker. I know it sure does work for me. Now, speaking of working for me, why don't you guys wait to the end of this video, look in the credits. There's a link there to Zazzle. Come out to Zazzle, check out my store, get you a t-shirt, get you a hat, something like that. I'll see y'all next time. And if you just wrap your paper towel around your magnet, you can just come right in here and just suck up a whole bunch of this. Well, you could come in and suck up a whole bunch of this if it wasn't aluminum.